beat Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today is going to be another install video, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful kinky yaki natural looking wig. If you're wondering, this wig is from Myfirstwig company. I have some of their wigs, and their wigs are always like the top class, high quality wigs. As you can see, this wig is so full, like it's something else. Let me show you. You can see it is so full. There's a lot of hair on this wig. It's so full, so soft and so beautiful. Very well made. The thing about their kinky wig is the edges they have now. It has like this natural edge right here. You can see that, you see. So there's this natural rough edges that they have, so you don't have to lay it with gel. I won't lay it with a gel, but I'll just keep it like this natural, so that when I wear it, you barely know that it's not my hair. Like seriously, it looks as if it's just my hair, you know. So you see, it looks as if it's just my hair. The edges looks like rough and just natural. That is the new thing about their kinky wig. It's really nice. I love it. I didn't use any got with glue gel to lay it, not at all. The pattern looks so natural. It's been bleached. They bleached it already. The lace on the front is a lace frontal wig. It's been bleached already. There's a lace at the back as well. If you want to put the hair in a ponytail, you can definitely do that. And I'm definitely going to put a link to the wig in the description box below. I believe that this wig is 20 inches and the cap size is size 2, and it has 160% density. So the density determines how full the wig will be. For 160% density, like, wow, it's pretty full, because there's 160, there's one, I think 140 or 120, I think, and there's 180. So it depends on the density you choose. That's how the price is going to fluctuate. So this is 160% density, and for 160% density is really full. You can imagine what 180 would look like seriously. Anyway, I really love this wig, and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's very full. And as you can see, the lace on the wig came pre-bleached. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So after putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beard hair spray. It's a fizz spray. And then I'm going to tie the band and a scarf on it and leave it for like 10 minutes to dry. After 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove the scarf. And this is what it looks like. You guys can see that the edges look so natural. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some leave-in conditioner. And then I also went ahead to spray a little bit of water on the wig. Then I went ahead and applied my heat protectant oil because I'm going to use my heat comb. Here I'm going to brush the wig. And right here, I'm going to use the hot comb to comb and lay the wig very well. You guys can see that the pattern looks so natural, like, and the edges looks very natural too. This is so beautiful. And yes, guys, this is what the wig looks like. It's so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. So I just went ahead to pack the hair all to the back, and you guys can see it looks so natural. After that, I went ahead to do like a simple braid in front of the wig. And it also looks really nice. This wig is so versatile. You can definitely do anything with it. So many styles with it. And this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. And that is what it's going to be for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.